Imagine our blue planet without all the oceans, just a dry, barren, scorching wasteland like the Venus. So is it possible that Earth might somehow lose the entire oceans to space? Well, as a matter of fact, yes, that can happen. Let's see how. Hey everyone, this is Tyroscience, simplified science to make you smarter. Our planet receives most of the thermal energy from the sun. A large part of it is sent back to space, but some proportion is retained, thanks to our atmosphere that acts as a blanket, keeping the planet warm. It creates the right conditions for the life to exist. This is what we call greenhouse effect. In correct proportions, it makes the Earth habitable. If it is altered, it can cause huge devastations. But we will not be talking about man-made problems like global warming. To make the entire oceans vanish, things have to work on a much bigger scale, far beyond human capabilities. First, we have to understand how can water escape into space, as it can't simply turn into water vapor and escape. The Earth's gravity is much too strong for this. It requires photolysis, which is a process in which a chemical compound is broken by photons. It happens in our atmosphere, where water vapor is converted into hydrogen and oxygen. Hydrogen, being the lightest, escapes into space. But the current rates are extremely low, though that can change. The luminosity of sun is not constant. It keeps increasing with time. It has been on a continuous rise since the Earth came into existence. As it increases further, it will increase the surface temperature, which will warm up the oceans. Warmer oceans mean more water vapor in the air. Water vapor is a greenhouse gas. That means the Earth will further trap more heat, starting a positive feedback loop, where the amount of water vapor in the atmosphere keeps going up. It will put Earth into a runaway greenhouse state. This happens on a planet when it contains sufficient greenhouse gas in the atmosphere that prevents it from cooling down. There will eventually be a point where entire oceans are evaporated. The generated vapors will reach the stratosphere, where they will be broken down by solar UV light, allowing the hydrogen to escape into space. Such a process will turn the planet into a dry wasteland. It is believed that the same thing happened to Venus a long time ago. Even though it is inevitable for Earth, but it will not happen anytime soon. It is estimated that it will take 1 billion years for this to transpire, when the sun's luminosity will be 10% higher than it is today. It is interesting to think what will be the state of humans then. Maybe there will be such high levels of technology that it might not be an issue anymore, or everyone would already live on some faraway planet before it all happens, just watching it all. Do hit the subscribe button if you enjoyed this video. Let me know what topics do you want to see next. And as always, keep learning, keep exploring until you know everything.